we released a small update to your TimeHub daily time screen. So a couple of quick things. The first is we've now got this total hours information here. So in the past, the total hours showed here. So here you can see the hours worked versus the rostered hours. But now over here, you've now got the total hours displaying out next to the approval switch. So if you are using the approval switch, then it's a little bit more intuitive that that's what you are approving as those as being the hours. The other thing we did is we recently gave you the ability to manually add allowances. So now when you are manually adding an allowance, I'll come in here and just quickly add one. I will add the phone allowance. Move that out of the way a little bit. So now when I go add and I save, the word allowance now appears here. So in the past you had no visual indication that an allowance had been loaded. So now you can see that that one's got an allowance, that one doesn't have an allowance. So now if you didn't know that you could manually add allowances, you've got the ability to just to then come into the blue line, click on the plus allowance. Now if you have to obviously have these set up, and then you can manually add one or more allowances. So I could add an overnight allowance if I wanted to, and I can get that a quantity and I can save it. So now I've got some, so we've got automated allowances and manual allowances. So if you wanted to add manual allowances, so this could be used for piece rates, it could be used for any number of things. In your settings, you simply go to the allowances screen. And I've got one here which says manual, and over here on the right hand side under when paid, you've got your hourly, daily and pay period, and you've now got a manual option, and you can put in a default number of hours. So that's how you would create the allowance, and then as I say, you can put that into your daily time screen. So hopefully that's helpful, and it'll be a little more obvious for clients who are using those two features.